So the operators that were running the machine and responsible for keeping the machine in service, they are now offloaded to the quality side. So bringing them up in the rank and giving them an education to better help us maintain as opposed to just doing manual labor. We installed a new system in our company to track all of the goods and services and the ordering of resources to come into the company, and we're taking some of that time and they're learning this new system, and it's really starting to pay off.